Welcome to Canny Campus app. This is our final project video for Sprint 3. This is our team where the product owner is Simran Gupta and the Scrum Master is Mudit Sharma. The other developers in our team are Pooja Biani, Soumya Jain, Samrit Kulshresht and Srishti Bhardwaj. The main objective to build this project was to implement an idea which acts as an efficient interaction between the faculty and students. It would provide students a multi-purpose platform for not only making appointment with faculty online but also for booking lecture halls online. It would also help in reducing the time taken to commute to and fro by teachers setting their status available or busy and students finding an apt time for meeting them. So this is our main homepage as visible in the other previous sprints. We have made slight modifications in our GUI. This is our about, then the contact us section, the locate us section, and now we will log in. We have an option for logging in as a student, faculty or an analyst supervisor who will be approving the lecture hall request. Also, in case there isn't any account made already by you, then you can create an account by clicking on create account option where the sign up page will be reopened. We'll be logging in as a student. This will be redirected to the student portal. We have various options for viewing the profile, the history of any faculty appointments or lecture hall requests we have made, the notification option which will be showing any online notification. We have change password option or for logging out. Let's make a faculty appointment. After clicking on send, we can view our requests in history. As visible in appointment request, we have a request made for the faculty Narsi Boluju and the reason for meeting being the project meet. The notification option will be showing whether our request made to any faculty or lecture hall request has been approved or disapproved. Now we'll make slight modifications in our profile. We cannot change our email address as that is the main primary key in the database. By clicking on update option, the entire details will be changed in our database. We can view that. Now, as we can see in the student database that at email address of Y14UC157, I had made changes in the profile with name Srishti Bhardwaj and that has been updated in the table. It is also visible in the sidebar over here. Now we log out from the student portal. Let us log in as faculty. The similar options are available for the faculty for making update in their profile or changing, viewing their history, changing password or logging out. Now we have an option for responding to requests, and as visible, we had made a request for 18th of November at 10 AM for project meet, and it shows as an option for which is pending. It can be approved or disapproved and the changes will be reflected in the database. Now let us approve the request. All the update by approving the request, the changes will be made in the database and a notification will be sent to the student that his request has been approved. Now let us move on to the database table. We can see that the selected option shows us that on 18th of November for 10 AM our request has been approved by the faculty. Also, there's an option for viewing the history. It views all the appointment requests made by the students and all the lecture hall requests which have been made by the faculty. And here we can see that action is approved, that is the faculty has already approved the project meet. For security reasons, we also have the change password option for faculty. Now let us change the password. Wait, before changing the password, we can view in the faculty table that our previous password was 12345678, and now we'll be updating our password. 12. Now we can see in the faculty table that for Nursi Boluju, the password has been changed to 12345. It has been updated. We will follow the same procedure for lecture hall requests. Let's book a lecture hall, specifying the number of participants, let 50, the date of event being 25th of November. This will be visible in our history. The request made will be visible in our history, which is still pending. Now we will log in as a lecture hall supervisor and we'll be approving the request made for the lecture hall on 25th of November. Now let us view the table for the lecture hall request initially. As we can see, the request made by the student for Android class is pending, and now we'll be approving the same request, or let us disapprove. We'll be disapproving the request, clicking on update option. The request has been disapproved and has been removed from the respond to LT request option, which is available on the home page of LS. Viewing the lecture hall request table, we can see that the request has been disapproved by the lecture hall supervisor. Only the pending request will be visible on the home page of the supervisor, and there is an option of changing password and logging out from main supervisor home page. Let us log out. And let us go back to our home page. Also, we have an option of connecting with us on the social media, which keeps the normal guest user connected with all the updates. We have an option for liking us on Facebook that redirects us to the college page on Facebook, and an option for following us on Twitter. So this was basically our Canny Campus app with an idea for connect, resolve and reconnecting. Now this idea is expected to be beneficial on a large scale at college level, with a certain more restraints implied and with a few more smart features included. It would be a real useful application. Also, as an extension of this project, a mobile application can be developed for the same. The contact details of the product owner, Simran Gupta, is her email ID is guptasimran66@gmail.com, and the contact details of the Scrum Master Mudit Sharma is mudithkr@gmail.com. Thank you.